Okay, hello, this is Chris Bernard at dock29 Marketing. Hope you're doing very well. Just a quick short video to kind of walk you through our keyword research process and why it's so important. There is a huge difference in the amount of traffic associated with some words over another. For example, many of us own cars, and the automobile industry, let's say Sarasota Ford or Nissan, Firkins, or any of those guys, they refer to themselves as auto dealers, which is great and very accurate. However, we as consumers of cars use the word cars, and the traffic is anywhere from 5 to 10 times the amount of potential associated with just a transition of that word into another. This would be, for the Lakewood Ranch Business Alliance, something effect of Business Network Sarasota or Lakewood Ranch, or networking groups Lakewood Ranch, or networking mind groups, Lakewood Ranch, business networking, business growth groups, Lakewood Ranch. All these different derivations of keywords could potentially be words that we should be integrating into a search and a social media campaign or marketing program. Our keyword research process actually addresses this issue so that there's no guessing anymore. We know which keywords people are actually using on the street to find your potential keywords. It's actually beyond just search. Anything electronic with regard to media is found and prompted by the course of a keyword. So whether that's your Google search results or YouTube video postings or social media programs, everything comes back to keyword. Blogging, your website visibility is significantly impacted by making sure the right keyword is there and in place. So as one of the members of the PR group for the Lakewood Ranch Business Alliance, we get very involved in those discussions. And basically, without that, knowing what those keywords are from a completely unbiased standpoint, we're really kind of guessing. So we do this for our clients. We're presenting this keyword research program at cost to the Lakewood Ranch Business Alliance. Basically, our program kind of works like this. Knowing that traffic is very important, knowing it comes across different channels. A good example of that is one of the programs that we work for, air conditioner company. We've optimized a national program at a local level, and they get not only organic rankings on the search engines for those specific terms, but even, for example, this is a YouTube video that is being pulled in. Anywhere from 10 to 20, potentially even up to 30% of the search engine results pull in video content. So this is actually a video directly from YouTube. You may also see even optimized PR. So PR, right in the first page of Google. So PR also has an impact. And again, all coming back to keywords. You'll end up seeing Facebook postings in some searches, as well as Twitter feeds or Google Plus findings as well. So our keyword research process works like this, just so you know. We take all the possible keyword combinations, and hopefully you can see this on the screen here, all the potential keyword combinations. We test them live in Google, so that's the actual paid program on a small test budget. And then we know for sure which keywords people are actually typing in at a local level, because we're able to test that. We're able to see the impressions. When that ad is pulled, when somebody types it into Google, it tells Google to pull that ad. So we know how many times it shows up. So basically, we're able to determine if it's advisor or advisors, or firm or firms, or organization as opposed to organization, or groups, or whatever that is, as a cooperative word. We know what those keywords need to be that we're targeting. We then typically build that out and provide reporting on that for our clients. This is available on our website, so if you need to take a peek at it, you can see actually screenshots of things, but I'll give you the top highlights in there. So that's really what we're talking about here, is at the end of the day, knowing the keywords that we should be using consistently, whether or not it's in the blog that Robin puts together. Robin's not going to need to know search marketing if she's doing a post. Basically, when she categorizes in the blog, there's keywords and tags that can be associated with that categorization, which will automatically start optimizing the website based on content. We can provide each of those teams, whether it's the PR committee or let's say the the political group certain keywords that may be appropriate. So as they're doing content writing, they can review that list, not to force keywords in, but just to be diligent about using specific words that would allow for a much riper, more visible program, prospect-oriented program out there. So definitely something you want to consider with that. There is significant power in the keyword. It all comes back to keyword. And I hope you'll take our proposals somewhat seriously here with regard to entertaining, identifying the best keywords. So regardless of which channels, which groups, etc., these efforts are being most capitalized on, because there's a lot of people spending a lot of time and with a lot of experience that we can tell a great story out there as the Lakewood Ranch Business Alliance. So thanks for your time. If you have any questions, you can give me a call or an email. I'll give you both. 941-776-1925 is the phone number. Email chris.bernard@dock29.com. Hope you're doing great. We'll talk to you later. Thanks much. Bye-bye.